Hey, this is Alan with NoContractVoIP, and today we're going to be looking at the Yealink T33G phone. So let's take a look. So I already went ahead and set this up, but we're going to go over its basic uses and just general overall look and feel of it. So this is a nice small phone. It's great for entry areas, maybe a home office, small office. It's also good for just general outbound calling, since it doesn't have very many buttons and doesn't take up very much space on the desk. And it's got essentially all the same features as the full-sized phones. Everything from multiple pages of buttons. Over here you can see it has 4 pages of buttons that are all programmable. Speakerphone, it has headset capabilities through a jack on the side. It even has a nice small color display. So let's go ahead and look at the basic operations of it. Let's start with giving someone a call here. So we'll go over here and we'll give Laura a call. Hello, I'm just going to transfer you over to someone else. Hang on one moment. Okay, so we hit, first of all, we have our nice hold button here, and we can resume. And we have our transfer button here. And we can just dial our second party. So we have the option to blind transfer or attended transfer using the call button. Hey, I have a call here. I'm going to transfer you. Okay, so we can complete the transfer by hitting the trans button or by just hanging up the call. So there we go. So the call got hung up. Next, we can go ahead and do a quick conference call. So we'll call our first party. Hello, I'm just going to do a conference call with you. Okay, so we can press conference. Then we call our second party. We can just press a one-touch button. Hello, I'm just going to conference you on with someone else.
This is Lily. How can I help you?
Okay, and we can complete the conference by pressing conference. You both here?
I'm here too.
Okay, so we got them both there. Now we can press manage so that we can put one of them on hold at a time, or both of them. We can unmute them. We can put one of them on hold at a time, pick them back up. Or we can even kick one person out at a time. This phone does up to a 5-person conference. That's you plus 4. We can also hit this button and hit split to put both of them on hold and completely terminate the conference. And we can just end each participant one at a time with the end call button. Another nice feature of this phone is it actually doesn't have a mechanical hook switch underneath the handset here. It just senses when the phone is in the cradle. So there's another part not to wear out for any kind of wall-mounted applications where people tend to bang the phone around. So those are your basic operations of the T33G. I've been Dallin with NoContractVoIP, and I'll talk to you later.